Are you big enough to be eating like that too much hay already? Oh my goodness. Hard to believe how fast you guys grow up. What do y'all think I have? Hello, little man. Oh my goodness. Hi, girls. What you doing? Hi, cuties. There's my Bristol. There's my Bristol. And my Bree, the mama, and her little man. Hi, beautiful. And my Bliss, who's starting to show here. Hello, my gorgeous. Hello, my BJ. There's Allie Oops. Hi, my Bliss. Samson, you want to come get petted? Yeah, right. Only if I have animal crackers. I gave my old man, Burley, an extra little bit of breakfast, and so they're all envious and trying to see if they can get in there to get it. He's just looking a little skinny to me. I'll make sure he's eating good. Look at those three. Oh my gosh, they are so cute. This is so sad. Last night, my husband came and caught me and said one of the hens is acting funny. Well, somehow or another yesterday, she broke her leg. And so anyway, we've got it splinted and she's still not using it properly because it's like she lost all feeling, like where the bottom of her foot is and stuff. So we're just letting her be in the grow out pen, hoping that she recovers. Poor little thing.